Good morning, all of you. How are you? So, we have done in 10th class maths, chapter number 6, exercise 6.3. Now, topic is area of similar triangle. Area of similar triangle. How can find out the area of similar triangle? As you know, through your previous knowledge, so if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So there is a relationship between the side and area of a triangle. So what's the relation? Relation is this: square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, or you can say theorem number 6.6. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. What's its meaning? Through example, I want to tell like this. This is a triangle. What's its name? ABC. This is another triangle. What's its name? DEF. And both are similar. So what you can say? You can say like this: area of triangle, which triangle? ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by, like this. So now what? Proof of this theorem. So you can take what you can take. You can take two triangle according to your book. Triangle, which triangle? ABC, and which triangle? PQR. PQR. This is the median. This is also of this triangle. So first you can write what you can write. Given. What's given? What's given? In triangle ABC, M is the altitude on BC. I want to tell one thing: the difference between median and altitude. Altitude means start from a vertex and perpendicular on the opposite side. And what's the median? Median also start from a vertex and which divide the opposite side into equal ratio. It may be angle 90 degree or may not be. Understood? Altitude BC and in triangle, which triangle? PQR, PN is altitude on side QR. To prove this, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. If triangle are similar, it means side are in the same ratio. So I think you can prove only one part, that's sufficient. Then you can say these two triangles are similar, so remaining condition also satisfied. Proof. What's given? Proof. What you can say? In triangle ABC, what's the area of this triangle? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half what BC into AM. In triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equal to half QR into PN. Understood? So now come here. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AM. This is AM and this is equal to 1 by 2 what this side QR into PN. QR into PN. This cancel this. It's meaning area of triangle ABC, area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PN. After this, our main aim is what? We can prove. What we can prove? This ratio is equal to this ratio. This how can possible? This is possible if we can take triangle, this triangle AB and PQN, and we can prove these both are similar. Then we can say. So you can say now in triangle, this triangle ABM and PQN. Here angle B equal to angle Q. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that's why. And what you can say? Angle, which angle? Angle M equal to angle N. As you know, altitude, so each is of how much degree? 90 degree. So by AAA rule of similar triangle, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. Therefore, AB by PQ, AB by PQ, BM by Qn is equal to AM by PN. This implies AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. This is third, you can say. This is fourth, you can say. This is third. So putting the value of AM by PN equal to AP by PQ in third, we get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into BC by QR. Its reason I want to tell, as we know, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Understood? Yes or no? Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to what? BC by QR whole square. But this is equal to what? AB by PQ whole square, and this equal to what? Is equal to AC by PR whole square. Here you can write this equal to BC by QR. Understood? So you can say like this. This is the proof of this theorem. Again I want to revise two triangles given. You have to prove the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. As you know, two triangles are similar. It's meaning their side, their ratio is in what? Corresponding side. So two triangle take ABC and PQR. You can draw altitude AM in triangle ABC and PN in triangle PQR. Area find out of ABC triangle by simple formula. You know, 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base into height is equal to area of triangle. Similarly, this find out area of triangle PQR. Then both ratio you can write. Now your main aim is what? You can prove this equal to this. So first you can prove these two triangles. This triangle ABM and PQN are similar. So as you know, angle B equal to Q, because two triangles are similar given M equal to N. According to your construction, if two angles of a triangle are equal, then third angle also equal. So what's become? Triple A become. So these two triangles are similar. If similar, satisfying this condition, but you need this, so you can take this. But this is equal to what? This is equal to BC by QR, because these are here given. Similar, this is here given. Put these value and you get the answer. So one more example taking, sorry, related to this. What is this? Example number 9. Example number 9 of your book, page number 143. What's given in figure 6.43? The line segment XY. So this type of triangles given. And this XY given. What's given? XY. ABA CB. And what's given? XY is parallel to AC. XY is parallel to AC. So which thing you have to prove? First you can write given in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to BC. AC, sorry, not BC, AC. It's given this. And what's given? XY divide the triangle. Which triangle? ABC. Into two equal parts. Two equal parts. Meaning area of triangle BXY is equal to area of quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? XYCA. To prove find the ratio AX by AB is equal to what? Now proof. In triangle ABC and triangle PXY and triangle ABC and XBY, what you can say? Angle B equal to angle B, what's common? But it's better if you can write angle B, write like this, and then you can say BXY is equal to angle BAC. XY is parallel to AC. So therefore by AAA rule of similar triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY. So similar triangle by theorem, if triangle are similar, it's meaning their area is what? Square of the corresponding side. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to what? AB by XB whole square. Yes or no? Also it's given area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 times of area of XBY. This given here. So what you can say? So this, therefore AB square by XB, whole square is equal to 2 by 1. This implies AB by XB is equal to 1 to 2 by 1. And what's its inverse of it? Therefore XB by AB is equal to 1 by root 2. This implies 1 minus XB by AB is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. This what's become AB minus XB by AB is equal to 1 root 2 minus 1 by under 2. AB minus XB what? AB minus XB is AX. This implies AX by AB is equal to under 2 minus 1 by under 2. This is your answer. So what you can do, you can solve this example, try to understand this theorem and solve exercise 6.4 in your rough notebook. Tomorrow we will discuss about this theorem, this exercise. Thank you all of you.